Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Monkey Wrench. I'm Kelly, the monkey with the wrench. Today, I'm very pissed off. I have 3 weed eaters that I use and trust. Husqvarna, Echo, and Stihl. There's 2 of them over there. This is my favorite, the Echo Straight. And all of a sudden, all of my effing equipment doesn't want to work at the same damn time. This thing has been giving me a problem for a week. It'll run for 5 or 6 minutes, no problem. Then it will die. I pull the cord one time, starts right back up, runs for another minute, then shuts off. So I got tired of it. I'm in the middle of a ton of stuff. I still haven't been able to work on this freaking outboard or those, because I keep getting inundated with crap. So I pulled out the Husqvarna and I used that for 4 or 5 lawns, no problem. All of a sudden it won't start. Then I get out the stihl, it won't start. And I know what the problem is. The stihl's been sitting for a long time. It needs new diaphragms in the carburetor. I have no idea what the hell is wrong with the Husqvarna, and I don't know what is causing this Echo to stop running. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the spark arrestor on the muffler and see what it looks like, and I'll bring you back in just a few minutes. Well, there you can see I took out the spark arrestor. All you have to do is take the top cover off. On these you have a cover here, and this is full of oil. But the spark arrestor itself is just a screen, and it's completely clean. So I'm going to clean up this outer housing a little bit and put it back together. I have a sneaking suspicion that I have bad fuel lines and they're sucking air somehow, so we're going to check that next. Well, I'm happy to report that the fuel lines had gotten cracked. This one's still in decent shape. This was the in fuel, but my filter is clogged, and what was happening was it would run for a little while on what was there, but it couldn't feed it enough, and the other line was completely screwed. So I put some new fuel lines on there, and she started first pull again. So that just goes to show you, this is my main weed eater. This is my favorite. It's balanced well, it's lightweight, it's powerful. I love this thing. Most of the time I don't even have to hit the trigger to make it work. I've not had any issues with this thing. I think I paid 10 bucks for it at a yard sale. It wasn't running. This is my favorite, and I just assumed that I could use my other 2 temporarily, but this thing gets used several times a week, every week, all year round. And you know, fuel lines just go bad. So I still have to grease the shaft. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it on camera, but it has developed a slap. The shaft is slapping. The spline that's inside that connects the motor to the end is slapping against the aluminum shaft. So I need to loosen this, loosen the other end, make sure they're on tight, and then run some grease down that. Usually when that happens, it's just created a little bit of space in there, a little bit of slack, so it's tapping against the outside. I'm not going to do that on this video. I have to go and weed eat a yard that I cut already. But I'll be doing that this week. So if you guys want to see it, please leave me a comment and I will film that too.